In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a file in Microsoft PowerPoint Cloud. By the end, you'll know exactly how to store your presentation in OneDrive so it's backed up and available on all your devices. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Give it a moment to load to the home screen or your current presentation. To save to the cloud, you need to be signed in. Look to the top right corner of PowerPoint and click Sign In. Use your Microsoft 365 account to log in. Make sure you're connected to the internet, and if you have more than one Microsoft account, choose the one where you want your files to live. This ensures you'll see and access the same OneDrive across your devices. Next, go to the File tab and select Save As. In the Save As locations, choose OneDrive. You may see more than one OneDrive option, such as Personal or Work. Pick the correct one for your situation. If you're prompted to select a folder, choose the folder you want to use. If there isn't one that fits, create a new folder to keep things organized. Using a folder per project or client can make finding files much easier later. Now, name your file. Use a clear, descriptive name, so it's easy to recognize and avoid unusual symbols that might not sync well. Just below the file name, check the file type. Ensure it's set to PowerPoint Presentation, PPTX. This format supports all modern features and is the safest choice for collaboration and compatibility. If it's not set correctly, use the File Type menu to switch it to .pptx before proceeding. When everything looks good, click Save. PowerPoint will upload your presentation to OneDrive. Once saved, your file is stored in the cloud, and you can access it from any device where you're signed in to the same Microsoft account. On many versions of PowerPoint, you'll notice an auto-save toggle at the top. When it's on, your changes are continuously saved to OneDrive, which adds an extra layer of protection. If you lose internet temporarily, keep working. Your changes will sync when you're back online. That's it. You opened PowerPoint, signed in, chose Save As, selected OneDrive, picked or created a folder, named your file with the .pptx format, and saved it. From now on, your presentation is safely stored and available anywhere you need it. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.